Back to deciduous forests. I already talked about this, but I did want to mention deciduous trees a little bit more. So, why is a deciduous tree what makes a deciduous tree a deciduous tree? So, deciduous trees drop their leaves during the fall. I don't know what I'm drawing. This is the ugliest tree. So, a tree has leaves, and in particular, the leaves of these trees tend to be very broad. To capture as much sunlight as possible. And so what makes a tree leaf green is something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is an expensive molecule to make. It costs the tree a lot of energy. And energy to a tree is fitness loss. A loss of fitness. So the tree has to actually spend the currency of nature, fitness, in order to make chlorophyll. So then why does it make chlorophyll? Because during the summer, the sun comes out and makes enough light to justify the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll can capture that sunlight and use it to make sugars that flow from the leaf down into the roots. And so sugar is a very highly energetic compound, glucose rather, that is worth the expense of the leaves. So making chlorophyll is expensive, but worth it if you're getting enough sunlight. And so the tree makes a lot of it during the summer. But then, during the winter, it realizes that the sun is not shining as brightly as it once did. And so it changes its leaves, and it starts using a less expensive type of pigment. And that is called a carotenoid. Easy to remember because carrots are orange. There are also other pigments which are red called anthocyanins, and then another pigment, I forget the name of it. But there are many types of pigments, and they are cheaper, they are smaller, and therefore cheaper to make for the plant. And so they can justify using it for a little while during the fall, which is why leaves change color during the fall. Eventually, however, even this expense it's not as pricey, but even that is not worth it when there is no sunlight. And so eventually it will just drop its leaves and it will be bare until the spring, where it will start to grow more leaves and more chlorophyll. So it's all about energy investment. Is the tree getting enough energy back for the investment that it took in making those green leaves? That is what makes the leaves drop during the fall.